Welcome to SurveySparrow, and here in this video we will be discussing Online Survey Maker. Online survey makers are the simple and hassle-free way to get in touch with the targeted audience and collect their valuable feedback. It gives your company insight into where you need a pat on the shoulder and where you need to step up in your game. The security that the internet provides for the anonymity of the respondents makes it an ideal platform to gather feedback on various topics. You will be able to set up an online survey in 5 steps using an online survey maker. First, research goals. Having a clear idea about the expected outcome before conducting the survey helps to be focused throughout the process. 2. List of questions. There are different types of question forms. Decide the type of questions you are going to use. Features such as display logic and skip logic let you branch your questions to build a complex survey. 3. Inviting the participants. The medium through which you are planning to reach your respondents should be chosen. There are multiple ways to share and collect surveys. Find a platform that is suitable for you. 4. Gathering information. It is critical to monitor your response rate as it has direct impact on your survey's result. Appointing a reward system can motivate more participants to complete the survey. 5. Analyzing. There are numerous tools and techniques available for you to analyze the collected data. From basic graphs and charts to visually pleasing word cloud and text analysis, the choices are wide. Select the tool in accordance with the nature of data you are handling. And that's it, you are done. Make use of these steps to guide you while setting up your next online survey. Good day!